In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design properties and templates in Obsidian without overthinking. Open your Obsidian app. I'm assuming it's already installed, so once it launches, you'll be looking at your main dashboard. This is the starting view where your notes and folders are managed. Go down to the bottom left corner and click the gear icon to open Settings. In the Settings panel, click Core Plugins. In this section, find Properties View and turn it on. Then find Templates and turn that on as well. These two core features need to be enabled so you can build a note template with structured fields and reuse it quickly. Now click the gear icon again if needed, stay in Settings, go to Community Plugins, and click Browse. After that, close the Settings panel so you can return to your workspace. In the File Explorer, right-click in the empty area, or inside your vault where you want the folder to live. Choose New Folder. When the name field appears, type Templates. Say it as one word, Templates, and confirm it. Then open that Templates folder and create a new note inside it. When the note name field appears, type Meeting Notes, then confirm to create the note. This note will become the template you reuse later. With the Meeting Notes node open, use the shortcut to add properties. On Windows, press Ctrl plus semicolon. On Mac, press Command plus semicolon. This opens the property entry flow for the note. Now add the properties one by one. For the first property, enter type as the property name, then set its value to Meeting. For the next property, enter status as the property name, then set its value to Draft. Add another property and name it Created. In the Value field, type open curly brace, date, YYY-MM-D, close curly brace. Enter that exactly so the template can place the date automatically when inserted. Add one more property and name it Tags. Leave that one empty, or add your own if that is already part of your setup. Click into the body of the note below the property section. Now build the structure of the template using headings. On the first heading line, type Attendees. Then create the next heading and type Agenda. On the next heading, type Notes. Then create one more heading and type Action Items. These headings create the main sections of the meeting note so the template is ready before you use it. Next, create a new note outside the template note. Name this one Team Sync, April 9. Type Team Sync, then April 9 as the note title, and confirm to create it. With that new note open, bring up the command palette. On Windows, press Ctrl plus P. On Mac, press Command plus P. In the command search box, type Insert Template. As the matching command appears, select it, then choose Meeting Notes from the template list. Once selected, the content from your template should populate into the new note. You should now see the properties at the top and the body structure underneath with the headings for Attendees, Agenda, Notes, and Action Items. Look at the Created field and confirm that it automatically shows today's date. That tells you the template has been inserted correctly and the date placeholder worked as intended. After that, you'll see the notes saved in your workspace under your account, alongside your other files and folders in the vault. At this point, the main setup is complete. You've created a dedicated templates folder, built a reusable meeting notes template with properties, and inserted that template into a fresh note without having to rebuild the structure manually. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. You have successfully designed properties and templates in Obsidian without overthinking. The key part was turning on the correct core plugins, creating the template note inside the templates folder, adding the properties carefully, and then inserting that template into a new note from the command palette. Go ahead and try it now on your end. Congratulations!